Hey everybody, welcome to the Drunken Cellar. I'm Bill, and today we have got a cocktail for you that is just perfect for the season. Everybody I know that's got gardens, and they planted cherry tomatoes, and they're coming in and they got more tomatoes than they know what to do with, and they're saying, here, take some, take some, take some. Well, we took some, and I've got a cocktail that's going to utilize those nice fresh ingredients. This one is pretty simple. It's got a few simple ingredients. We're going to use some gin. We're going to use some olive oil. I've got some freshly roasted cherry tomatoes. We're going to use a little bit of lemon. We're going to put some salt in there. And what goes better on tomatoes than some freshly cracked pepper? We're going to put this all together, and today we are making a blistered tomato tini. Let's get pouring. We're going to start by making this in our shaker glass. And the first thing that's going in there is going to be a 1/4 teaspoon of whole peppercorns. Now, that's probably about 10 or 12 peppercorns in there, depending on the size that they are. The first thing I want to do is I want to crack those. So we're going to get our muddling stick and just break those up a little bit. The next thing that's going in there are our cherry tomatoes. Now I've roasted these tomatoes, and when you roast those cherry tomatoes, it gives it a little bit sweeter, a little bit richer, a little bit flavor in there. We're going to put a 1/4 cup in there, and that is usually about a half a dozen tomatoes. They're soft, they're sweet, they're delicious. Now what I want to put in there is a pinch of kosher salt. That's going to help build those flavors up. And now I'm going to muddle it down, break it out, and I'm going to get my tomato juice. Woo, excuse me. I guess I put my hand over the glass. We've got that broken down in there. And now what I want to do is add some freshly squeezed lemon juice. I've got a big lemon today, so I'm going to use about a 1/4 of a lemon. Just squeeze that in there. We're using fresh because you know fresh is best. We got that in there. And now what I do is gin. Today we're using a London dry gin. We're using Bombay. Now if you want to use vodka, you can do that also. That's an option. It's a pretty hefty drink in there. We're going to put in there 3 ounces. That's everything that I need going in this glass, except, of course, the ice. Let's ice it up and chill it down. Let's put the top on that. We're going to give this a good shake. That's going to continue to break those tomatoes down in there. We're going to mix it up. We're going to make it cold. We're going to make it delicious. Just shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it some more. We've got that all broken down in there. It's not the prettiest looking thing in the shaker, but fortunately, we have an absolutely beautiful coupe that we're going to put this in. I've got it chilling with some ice and some water in there. We're going to take that out of there. And now we're going to pour. When I pour this, because I've got tomato seeds in there, because I've got tomato skins in there, because I've got peppercorns in there, keep those out of the cocktail. We're actually going to double strain this. Pouring. This smells garden fresh, I got to tell you. We got a bunch of stuff that we kept out of our drink, and now, as every good Italian knows, you can't have some fresh tomatoes without a little bit of olive oil. We are just going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on there, a couple drops. All I got left to do now is garnish. And what will we garnish with? A cherry tomato. And there we have today's cocktail, the Blistered Tomato Tini. Let's give this one a try. You've got that fresh tomato taste in there. It's nice, it's rich, it's savory. You've got that olive oil that mixes in there nicely with it. Well, the olive oil doesn't mix with it, but you've got that aroma of that good fresh olive oil in there. That cracked pepper, nice strong flavor to it. And that base of the gin. That is today's harvest cocktail. Cheers, everybody.